Hey there, it's Lenny Magill with the GlockStore Performance and Custom Shop right here in San Diego in our warehouse today. And most of you know we are the world's largest distributor of aftermarket performance parts for your Glock. But we're also the world's largest distributor of Glock factory parts. In fact, in this room, we have more Glock factory parts than any other business in North America except for Glock themselves. So if you're looking for Glock factory parts, we've got them. Let's take a look here real quick. Glock firing pins, of course we have them. We've got them all for all the different models. How about this? Trigger bar, looking for a trigger bar? We do have trigger bars. Trigger housings, yes, for every Glock we've got every part. The nice thing about our parts is they're all individually packaged and labeled. Now check this out. Slide cover plate. Sometimes you need a slide cover plate. This is a really cool one. This is the Armorer's half slide cover plate. We've got those too. We've got a lot. Not only do we have just one, I mean, we have stacks of them. Here's one more I want to show you. This is a fun one right here. This is I got to read this one. Glock spring-loaded bearing. If you lose this, your Glock doesn't work. Check that part out. Now, again, like I said, each and every one of our parts are labeled and nomenclated and bagged so you can buy these and store these, and 10 years later, you can pick it up and know exactly what it is. It's the GlockStore factory parts. We've got them all for your Glock and for every Glock that's ever been made. We've got a piece, we've got a part to make sure it continues to run. A lot of our customers, like I said, they'll buy them, stack them and store them, and because they're so nicely kept and labeled, they know what they are, not only today, but 10 years from now. I'm Lenny Magill. This, of course, is your one stop for Glock parts and accessories, the GlockStore. Thanks for watching.